Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh your Sandbox account in Netsuite. So, refreshing your Sandbox allows you to copy all configurations, data, user passwords, and customizations from a source account into a target Sandbox account. To start, log in to your production account and navigate to setup, then company, and then click Sandbox account. And here you will see all your Sandbox accounts. To refresh one, simply click refresh Sandbox button next to the account you want to update. And then you will need to select your source account. This is the account you want to copy data from. If you're on a premium enterprise or ultimate service tier, um, you can choose either your production account or another Sandbox account as the source. So decide who should have access after the refresh. So you can either allow only administrators to access um, to the refresh sandbox or all users from the production account, excluding customer center users. After setting the user access, click refresh sandbox, this button here. A confirmation message will appear and click OK to proceed. So while your sandbox is being refreshed, you can still use the current version. You will also see the snapshot date and on the page showing when the data will be copied from the source account. And then you will also receive an email like like sandbox like hold on a moment. Yeah. So you'll receive an email once the refresh is completed and your new sandbox is ready. Now we are just waiting for the new sandbox to be activated. Now when it's ready to go, just simply click activate sandbox button and to replace the old version with the new one. Be aware when you activate the new sandbox, it completely replaces the previous version, and any changes made after the refresh request will be lost unless saved externally. You have 2 weeks to activate the new sandbox before it's automatically deleted. Make sure to activate it within the time frame. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully refreshed your sandbox in NetSuite. So thanks for watching and feel free to reach out with any questions.